1. Water covers around 71% of the Earth's surface. 2. The human body is made up of around 60% water. 3. Water is essential for all forms of life on Earth. 4. The chemical formula for water is H2O. 5. Water has no taste, color or odor. 6. Water can exist in 3 states: solid, ice, liquid, water, and gas, water vapor. 7. The freezing point of water is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, 0 degrees Celsius, and the boiling point is 212 degrees Fahrenheit, 100 degrees Celsius, at sea level. 8. Water is a universal solvent, meaning it can dissolve more substances than any other liquid. 9. The world's oceans contain about 97% of the Earth's water. 10. Only 3% of the Earth's water is fresh water, and only 1% is accessible for human use. 11. The longest river in the world is the Nile River in Africa, which is approximately 4,132 miles, 6,650 kilometers long. 12. The Great Barrier Reef in Australia is the world's largest coral reef system, and it is home to a diverse array of marine life. 13. Waterfalls occur when water flows over a steep drop in elevation, creating a dramatic cascade. 14. Geysers are hot springs that periodically shoot water and steam into the air. 15. The deepest part of the world's oceans is the Mariana Trench, which is approximately 36,070 feet, 10,994 meters, deep. 16. Water can be found in many forms in the solar system, including as ice on planets and moons, and as water vapor in the atmosphere. 17. The water cycle describes the movement of water between the Earth's surface and atmosphere, and includes processes like evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. 18. The average American household uses around 300 gallons, 1,135 liters, of water per day. 19. Water is used to generate hydroelectric power by harnessing the energy of moving water to spin turbines. 20. Water can be purified through processes like filtration, distillation, and reverse osmosis. 21. In some cultures, water is used for spiritual and ceremonial purposes. 22. The term water crisis refers to a lack of clean water for drinking and sanitation. 23. The Dead Sea, located between Israel and Jordan, is the saltiest body of water in the world. 24. Water has a high heat capacity, meaning it can absorb and store heat energy without significantly increasing in temperature. 25. The word aquatic refers to things that live or occur in water. 26. Water plays a vital role in agriculture and is used for irrigation, livestock watering, and other purposes. 27. The ocean currents play a critical role in regulating the Earth's climate by transporting heat around the planet. 28. The water content of the human brain is around 75%. 29. Water can exist in a supercooled state, meaning it remains liquid at temperatures below its freezing point. 30. The surface tension of water allows certain insects, like water spiders, to walk on water. 31. The city of Venice, Italy, is built on a series of canals and waterways, and has no roads for cars. 32. Water is a major component of many beverages, including coffee, tea, and soda. 33. Water is a key ingredient in many recipes, including soups, stews, and baked goods. 34. The term waterproof describes materials or products that are resistant to the penetration of water. 35. The term watershed describes the area of land that drains into a particular body of water, like a river or lake. 36. The Earth's water is estimated to be over 4 billion years old. 37. The world's largest freshwater lake by volume is Lake Baikal in Russia, containing roughly 20% of the world's unfrozen fresh surface water. 38. Water expands as it freezes, which is why ice floats on top of water. 39. Water has a high surface tension, which allows it to form droplets and beading on surfaces like leaves or petals. 40. The word hydrophobic describes substances that are repelled by water, while hydrophilic describes substances that are attracted to water. 41. Water is used as a coolant in many industrial processes, including power plants and manufacturing facilities. 42. Water is an excellent insulator, making it useful in applications like wetsuits and hot water bottles. 43. The water in the world's oceans and seas is in constant motion due to the effects of waves, tides, and currents. 44. Water can be split into its component elements of hydrogen and oxygen through a process called electrolysis. 45. Water is used in firefighting to extinguish flames and cool down hot surfaces. 46. The water cycle can be affected by climate change, which can alter precipitation patterns and cause droughts or floods in certain areas. 47. The longest river in Asia is the Yangtze River, which stretches over 3,900 miles, 6,300 kilometers. 48. Water is used in the manufacturing of many products, including textiles, paper, and electronics. 49. The human body can survive for several weeks without food, but only a few days without water. 50. If you're drinking water while hitting the like button, another video will appear.